You guys want to know how to make the best crunchy tacos? Homemade ground beef, homemade salsa. Stick around, guys. I'll show you guys how I put this together. Cheers. We have Angus beef. We got a chuck roast. We're gonna grind our meat, but first let's go ahead and cut it up so it'll be able to fit on our grinder. So we are gonna grind this. Has great marbling. I made these tacos. Well, I didn't make the tacos, but I was making some smoked enchiladas, and before I added all the ingredients for the enchiladas, I tasted the ground beef by itself, and it was incredible, delicious, guys. So I told myself I'm gonna remake this. The only difference is I'm not gonna use a smoker because it's pouring outside here in California. So what I have here is some fat from a pork butt that I trimmed. So I just maybe want to use half of it. It is frozen, so we'll try to cut through it. This Kuma knife does the job really good. If you guys want one, I'll leave a link in the description so you can get your own. That's pretty good right there. A little bit of pork fat. Then we got our chuck roast. It has fantastic marbling in it. Let's go ahead and grind this up, guys. While the meat is chilling in the refrigerator, I want to cut up some onion because we want to add some extra flavor to this ground beef. Alright guys, 2 rusted potatoes. Let's go ahead and prep these. Dice your potatoes. Make sure they're nice and small where it's going to fit in the taco. You don't want nothing too big. So we're gonna go really small. All we're gonna do is add some Wagyu tallow. Not too much. A couple tablespoons. My tomatillos and my serrano peppers, because we are gonna make a salsa with this for sure. You just wanna blister them up a little bit just to get them started. And then we're gonna go in with our minced onion right here on the side. All right, I'm gonna pull off the serrano peppers. Just wanted to give them a light toast, nothing too crazy. Tomatillos are nice and blistered up. It's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and add our ground chuck. I'm gonna go ahead and add some ground cumin to this, maybe half a tablespoon. Not much, I don't want it to overpower. And then we're gonna add some chili powder, about a full tablespoon right there. SPG from PS Seasonings, this is a must. Couple tablespoons, that's for sure. Give this a quick mix. These flavors are going to be popping. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our diced potatoes. I'm gonna let this chill out. Go ahead and build our salsa. I'm gonna go ahead and put the serrano peppers. I want the salsa to be spicy. Something like that. And then we're gonna add a whole avocado to this. Cram that in there. We're also gonna add some salt. We're gonna go ahead and squeeze some sour cream. All right, me go ahead and blend this up and I'll bring you right back. Beautiful, gorgeous, much better. It is spicy. Get yourself some olive oil. And we're gonna make homemade tostadas. A homemade ground beef. Nice scoop in there. Make it a taco supreme. Creamy avocado spicy salsa. This thing is extremely spicy. We're gonna go in with our lettuce. And then we're gonna go in with our tomato. Let me push this down a little bit. Gorgeous. Top it off with the cheese. Just like that. Is that gorgeous or what? Beautiful color. Sweet. All right, let me do a few more and we'll do the taste test. Let's go for that taste test, guys. Cheers. It is freaking delicious. Mmm. 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 Mmm.